WP Engine Affiliate Program Review Usage Experience. In this video, I'm reviewing the WP Engine Affiliate Program and sharing my experience with it. If you're interested, I've added the links to the program in the description below. WP Engine is one of the top premium managed WordPress hosting providers, known for its fast performance, security, and excellent customer support. Their affiliate program allows you to earn commissions by referring customers to their hosting services. What sets the WP Engine affiliate program apart is its highly competitive commission structure. Affiliates earn between $50 to $200 per sale, depending on the plan chosen by the customer. This makes it one of the more lucrative affiliate programs in the WordPress hosting niche. Additionally, WP Engine offers bonuses for hitting sales targets, which adds another incentive to promote their services aggressively. This program is ideal for individuals with an audience in need of premium hosting services, such as web designers, bloggers, or entrepreneurs running WordPress websites. Once you sign up, you'll get access to a detailed affiliate dashboard where you can track your referrals, commissions, and performance. You also have access to marketing materials like banners, text links, and content suggestions to help you effectively promote their services. The program is designed to make it as easy as possible to get started and maximize your earnings. WP Engine is known for its exceptional customer service, which is a huge selling point for affiliates. Customers often choose WP Engine because of its fast and reliable hosting solutions, and the affiliate program benefits from this strong reputation. This is a great program for anyone looking to monetize a WordPress-focused audience, or anyone involved in website development or online marketing. In conclusion, the WP Engine Affiliate Program is a top choice for anyone in the WordPress space looking to earn competitive commissions while promoting a reputable and high-quality hosting service. Check out the links in the description if you want to get started with WP Engine's affiliate program today.